Our Terence is a handsome lad. Bright roving eyes our Terence had. This was his favourite trysting place, scene of many a fond embrace. But dreams of love are already crashing. See how Jane's angry eyes are flashing. For Terence is off to pastures new. Impatient, he waits for pretty Sue. Once more he's off to savour bliss with his latest, most adorable miss. No thought of previous loves distracts him. Old wine in new bottles always attracts him. The hours fly quickly. Midnight is past before Terence and Susan return at last to humdrum life. But what's in store? See how Papa doth rant and roar. Our Lothario is gay no longer, and Papa's language grows even stronger. Until Mamma, with words so mild, brings comfort to her erring child. Next day, it's back to work again. He's off to catch an early train. At a business conference he's due. More holiday than work, 'tis true. others have plenty of wise things to say, Terence's thoughts are beginning to stray. To Sue he writes a loving letter. To Jane a note he knows will fret her. Sweet one, tomorrow meet me here. A wonderful time we'll have, my dear. Old girl, I cannot keep our date. Pressing business will make me late. Some envelopes and stamps he needs. Into the nearest shop he speeds. Address them quick. Oh, careless one, an error now may spoil your fun. Now work is over for the week. He's off his dear sweet Sue to seek. What's this? There must be some mistake. Before he decides what steps to take, a far worse thing befalls him. Do, I pray, remember, philandering does not pay.